Welcome to Learning to Engineer. We will see the importance of using operational amplifier as a unity follower. The unity follower's output is same as the input. So why don't we just use a wire in that case? Why do we have to invest in an op-amp IC to be used as a voltage buffer? Let's get started. The output of a unity follower is same as that of the input. The gain of this op-amp is 1 and the negative feedback will be employed in this case. So this has a advantage that it has very high input impedance and very low output impedance. That is the reason why we employ operational amplifier in circuits. We can simply replace it by a wire provided it provides these two facilities, that the gain should be unity at all cases and the input impedance should be very high because it isolates this amplifier from the input circuitry. Okay, so to provide this kind of an isolation, we need a device with a very high input impedance, and that is why we are using op-amp. And the output impedance is 0 or something that's close to 0. If you observe the datasheet of the op-amp, you will be able to find negligible values of output impedance measured in this circuit. So that is the reason why we use a unity follower as a voltage buffer. Okay, so let us say for example you have a power supply circuit where let us say you tuned it to 5 volt and you want 5 volt to be extracted from the terminals. There will be 2 or 3 terminals available in this power supply where you can extract the voltage out of it. So there will be one connector that is supplying the power of 5 volt to all the 4 terminals, and they will be individually isolated by voltage buffers, so that the circuit that you connect to this terminal doesn't really affect the input circuitry, because it offers a high input impedance and 0 output impedance. All the 4 devices which are using this power will be isolated. That is the purpose of using op-amp as a unity follower. Thank you.